Hey, man, what's up, fellas? All right, man, got a club car, DS here. Got a UNC Tar Heel logo on it. Go Michael Jordan. This car here ended up having a bad controller on it. Now we're going to show you how to check your V-Glide here. This is a V-Glide that has resistors on it. So it's got like resistors on the back side of potentiometer, which sends ohms to the controller for voltage, which controls the speed. If you look back here, you normally have a cover here, but we already took it off. Like I said, the controller's bad. We already took the controller off of it. I just wanted to show you, man, on your controller, which is a gray box, the bolts, right where that bolt is beside your solenoid. You'll see 3 small pins. Your number 1 pin will be your red wire. And what that does is that gets hot when you hit the gas, which feeds the controller, the board in there. What we're going to do is show you how to check out ohms to check your V-Glide. So what you want to do is put black in the yellow, green in the red, and what you should see is 5 to 0 ohms. Now what I got my meter on, I got on 200K. You can put it on 20K, whichever. Then you want to hit the gas. All right, so what I want to do is I got the key on in forward. I'm gonna hit the gas. When you hit the gas, it should go down. As I'm hitting the gas, you can see 1 foot is going from 5 to 0, and 0 is going to be wide open speed. 5 will be all the way up. Now on the early club cars, like this is a 2002, maybe the early 90s or mid 90s, they come out with a club car that the potentiometer reading was 0 to 5, like an E-Z-GO golf cart was. So you could actually use the E-Z-GO controller on a club car. But on this one here, you'd have to use a club car because the ohms is backwards. And as you can tell, if you look at the size of the female ends, that's like a 3/16 female end. This is a 1/4 inch female end. And so that gives it away on what type of controller you need. If you got the small pin, that's 5 to 0. If you have all 3 pins on the controller the same, that tells you 0 to 5K. But like I said, when you hit the gas, that's wide open, it goes to 0. All right. And that's how you check the potential with the V-Glide, the resistors inside the V-Glide for speed. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more videos. And like I said, this is a AQ, was it a Q or 0? It's a AQ02 2002 Club Car DS. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post more videos.